we got our head. We've let this dry real good and set up, so we're ready to start rounding this down. We're going to round this all down. But before we do that, we want to mark our center on here so we don't lose our center. That's where we're going to drill our hole for our stick. So we're going to mark this. So now we got our center. And because we're going to be sanding on, we don't want to lose this. So now we know where the center is, so when we go to drill our hole for our stick, we know where that's going to go. So we're going to round all this down for the neck, all the way down to this line here. And then that will sit inside the body. That round will sit inside here on top of the body. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe to my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.